What if I told you that there's a rising BGC in the north? This is Northwind Global City, the next capital business district here in Bulacan. We have 9 Central Park as the first residential condo, and papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng studio unit. This is 34.5 square meter, 23,000 pesos per month with 164,000 pesos yearly lump sum. We have no down payment promo, 40% equity payable in 5 years at 0% interest. 9 Central Park is just 20 minutes away from the New Manila International Airport and 5 minutes from the Philippine Arena. Walking distance to upcoming South Commuter Railway project, literally right along NLEX Marilao, kaya super accessible talaga. Comment 9CP if you want to know more details. We have available units from studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and twin flex units. If you're into commercial space, we also have available shop house lots in Northwind Global City. If you're interested in BGC and NGC condo, send the message on my socials or WhatsApp.